let's move on to the last exercise of this chapter where we are going to discuss a comprehension. Read the passage and answer the questions given at the end. This is our hope. This is the faith with which I return to the south. With this faith, we will be able to hew out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jangling discords of a nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. Now let's move on to the question related with this comprehension. The first question is, what is the faith with which he returns to the south? The answer is, the faith with which he returns to the south is, they will be free. The second question is, what will be the effect of the faith? The answer is, with this faith, they will be able to come out of despair and hope will rise. Moreover, the discord among people will end and a sense of harmony and brotherhood will prevail in the nation. The last question is, what will they be able to do with this faith? The answer is, with this faith, they will be united and be able to work, pray, struggle and even stand up for freedom together. So we are done with the exercise of chapter number 11. I hope कि आपको इस discussion की बहुत अच्छे से समझ आई होगी. We will discuss exercise of chapter number 12 in the next video inshallah. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Allah Hafiz.